icio riu gutuika nirika umurigo.
But the fortune of nowadays,
the new shape. Hey, hoya ina wa mucio bai.
Ya ne bi kafu. Ngana enemo agana mugaka.
Na mugaka ni ari nayo.
Ya ne bi kafu.
Nitona aje ya mundu no thutho uyu ya meno egiri. Nitoni twathiagira karai.
Ne bi kafu kai muofu karai kana thutha.
Ega kunekwo. Na mucio ba thiari ari na ngama Africa. Yes. Ina no atuire indo ciakwa cia ngama Africa. Ya twese mwene ndi mwetio kahora. To thutho ni ikarire wega. Pesa cia dola na kuzetu na ngama Africa.
They know fortune ya thutho uyu.
No, it is pimped. It has a very incredible interior. Yes.
Nihumanagia na ici nene dugu.
Well, never mind the hari origi tathakagira. You know, league is league. Doge kiwa si 180. Leo irakira S.
Sa.
S500. Na si 180 ri. Ni sigo disiaga no kidogo. Tagwa tondu wina Toyota ri ati premium ne kuhania na TX.
Sa. Manufacturer ni umwe no ni itigaine.
Yes. Ni taru uge ati riu na bara. Na egi eto ati no guneke ya nafara
pathi performer
niri haha
leo ndo asoka rugongo
hiyo uno ikura gari niri haha
that is very rude
haha na guku ri
yo kwa bataka jama katari ha hewa ya
ene ke urauga ya mukomeria ramire kuma gokinya voi akire goiteka
wenya ndo marari.
So they have those kind of people have very weird references. Nyamwethia atatha no, you know what happens with the vehicles. Na no gathurikanagia nduri ugura indo igiri guku tumite. You either buy convenience and your affordability kana ugure no sacrifice kindu gitagwo riri performance and thrill.
Yes. Tondu riu gikinya kurora ngari gikiro gia performance.
Yes.
Noguo nawe ukugwa mondo.
Yes.
Ni ugucoka mondo mwana wa Jesu.
Yeah. Hare waigua he muthuri hoyega review cia ngari gwa trailer. This car is 0 to 100 in 4 seconds.
El Karanja.
Yes. The competitors in this entry level are the Audi Q5, the Volvo XC90, the Toyota Prado, and the Suzuki Alto. Lewa na igwa kiga ha 0 to 100 hathikagireria muno. Oria era second nini. Noguo na ere gucoka mondo.
Noguo era kugwa muhuko.
It has a quadro turbo engine that has a peaking of 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds.
Na sprinter.
And premium na hari. Igana ni ugagiriirie.
Igakinya igana ni uhihinyite.
Igakinya kumurikwo ne kamera ri.
Ni uhihinyite.
Oria ngari raririo ni urio ramiendia ta Alkaranja ri. It has a carbon fiber body. It has 18-inch alloy rims. It has blind spot monitors. It has a panoramic sunroof. It comes with blind spot indicators. Oria ramiendia muno. No kuona wekatia.
Okugwa mondo.
Yes. Tondu agirwo a review kindu ta Probox ri. Ogira Karaja review Probox akona maundu maingi.
No na features ndiri na nyingi.
This car has glaring lights, a regular shaped body with benches inside. This car can fit 3,000 cabbages
with room for extension.
This car has no climate control. It has a wind transfer system that transfers the wind from the exterior to the interior.
The infotainment
is largely dependent on who you've carried as a passenger. There are no known ears for the Probox. A Probox is a Probox. Now, how many models of the Proboxes are there?
No, you get it.
The first generation, which was carried for the second generation, with slight changes and alterations, like you would do on pottery. As for the Gossip Club, no, their cars Alcaranja cannot review. So Figo I review.
No performance off-road.
Yes. I get a review. Not a guy called Hana Cora, by the man.
Juku.
This is a historical jukebox.
Sorry.
The Nissan Juke. The only similarity to a Ferrari is that when you sit on the seat, it's like you're hauled inside and the driver cannot be seen. The competitors in this level are the Ipsum,
the
Vezel, very regular shape.
Calico.
The car Nissan and the Nissan Lafesta.
Mitwale mwena wa boki.
Probox.
Chokia mwena wa boki.
These are the cars you will see at a likely event of a Mugidi festival, Wimba Fest, K-Fest, Madaga Festival, or Mataha. If you're at Madaga Festival, you're likely to see this model of the Figo.
Suzuki gokete. Garetho atia. Ni Jimny.
Nani akiendete muno Alcaranja. Never mind, it's a very hardy car.
Na gatire raithi.
Gatire raithi gakware.
It's not cheap.
Oh, sorry. Akari. No, the village in me has emanated.
The yego in you
has emanated.
You
know, the only lady I know who drives a Figo is Monica Kagoni. In rare cases, this car is driven by ladies who have subscribers and followers on their YouTube pages. It's only a 5.